Going on, Family Black Phoenix checking in. So I'm at the steel place recopping. You know, once you sell your products, you got to go back and recop, get some good work, so that way you can keep it going. So I'm out here doing my thing. That's a nice little setup. They got pretty much all the little stuff you need. Price is not that bad. I mean, price is not bad at all. It's a lot cheaper than from Phoenix prices. But when you buy wholesale, you end up getting a little better price. But this is actually Standard Steel is where I'm at right now. So it's Standard Steel in Oklahoma City. So it's not a bad location. They pretty much have what you need. You can get certain specialty stuff done, but on a big scale, it's like you just buy 4 pieces of half sticks. So can't buy like no Pacific side. I don't see no big saw in here, so you just gotta get big sticks or cut them in half. But that's a good little spot to network, man. So that's what I'm doing today. Getting to the bag. HogOn.